Hello everyone, my name is Luis Ricardo. I'm a recognized Oracle ACE professional and I work as both a developer and a database administrator. Anyone who works in our field knows that dealing with a corrupted database is without exaggeration one of the biggest nightmares for any company. And while I see a lot out there, are professionals trying to save their environments using manual scripts or homegrown solutions. But I'll be very direct. Relying on manual scripts in a critical moment is a huge risk. It's a waste of time and worse, a risk of losing vital data. And that is exactly why I trust Stellar Reaper for MySQL. What impressed me the most about this tool was its robustness combined with a super user-friendly interface. It resolves complex corruptions in both InnoDB and MyISAM automatically, but the fantastic differentiator for me is the preview function. You can actually view the recovered tables, views, triggers, and keys before you even save. On top of that, the flexibility is huge. It runs on Windows or Linux and allows you to export restored data directly to a live server or even to formats like CSV. It doesn't just recover your data structure. It recovers your peace of mind and gets the business back online in record time. For me, efficiency and security are non-negotiable. If you truly want to protect your MySQL environment, Stellar Reaper is the right choice.